Hey, it's Clay Trader. This will be a video chart on ticker symbol ELTP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And the question revolves around the fact that today was a very, very nice day. Nobody's going to sit around and say that today wasn't good. I mean, it was a good day, but that does bring up the question, is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single level, and that level is right here at 14.5 cents. Why is 14.5 cents so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement that's truly strong is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 14.5 cents. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to within this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, not saying it will, but let's just pretend, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down here. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's what truly strong moves do, right? They make progress in that upwards direction. So 14.5 cents, very important level of support. Preferably speaking, if the price can hold up above 16 cents going forward, that would make the chart look the absolute strongest. But if the price does drop below 16 cents, by no means am I saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. That's just the ideal level that would make it look the strongest. Now for the fun stuff, what about potential areas of resistance? So we're just going to have to scrunch up the chart here. Always a good problem to have when you have to go back this far into a chart's history. All right, is that the level where it got rejected from today? Actually, it looks like it might have pushed above it. Yeah, actually did a little bit. Right there at about 0.168, give or take. But you can see this area here back in the the history of the chart. A lot of price congestion right around that area. And the price did technically peek its head a little bit above there. But it makes sense why the price is struggling up around that area. By no means am I saying this area can't be broken. Just saying it does make sense. So that'll be public enemy number one going into tomorrow. But all in all, as long as the price starts putting in higher lows as time goes by, long-term chart's going to take care of itself. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.